All right, I got this book as a Christmas present, and I wanted to share it with everybody because if you got some money from maybe in your Christmas stocking, you might want to go out and buy this book because I just find it fascinating. It is Open Circuits, The Inner Beauty of Electronic Components by Eric, oh boy, I'm going to butcher his name, Schlapfer and Wendell Oske? Oh, okay. Anyway, it is a bunch of things that I've sort of already done some of these on my channel, whereas you take some component and cross-section it and show what's on the inside. Like, here's what's on the inside of a potentiometer. Here's what's on the inside of a tantalum capacitor, right? They just slice it in half. And the photography is just beautiful. The guy had really nice diamond saws where he could saw them and polish them, like a lapidary type of thing. He shows you the fuses. I did this one on my channel. This is a laser diode. Here's a camera module. Here's a motor. Push button switch, cables. It's got Retrotech. Yeah, it takes apart Nixie tubes. It is just fascinating. Here's the inside of a micro switch. It is really, really great. So anyway, it's a very, very well put together book. Really, really high quality. Yeah, and then in the back, I also found kind of interesting in the back, he actually talks about how he actually made the book, what lenses he used, how to do macro photography, how to do focus stacking to get really high depth of fields and stuff, how he sawed them, how he polished them and everything. So yeah, super, super cool book, highly recommended. Open Circuits, the Inner Beauty of Electronic Components. So, yeah, very, very cool. By No Starch Press. So since it's a short video, I thought I'd mention I'm back from my vacation. People might have been asking, "Where'd you go on vacation?" I actually took the vacation a month before Christmas, and I have videos come out while I'm gone and stuff. But we went to the southwest of America, which I haven't ever been before. So we saw Zion, we saw Bryce. We went to Monument Valley, we went to the Grand Canyon, we went to Sedona. So yeah, lots of really, really cool places. We took a 9-day tour, and yeah, it was great. Really, really enjoyed it. Anyway, video for the day.